My name is Amelie, Ntigulirwa, and I'm an associate at Mass Design Group.
My name is Sebuhayi. I'm an architect, and my position here is design associate. The work that we do is mostly centered on the communities that we work with. We don't just design to design, but first we understand the needs of the communities, and our designs come as a response to their needs. So I would say it's more human-centered design that we do.
So working in Rwanda, it's a small country, and people don't really understand what architects do. So it's hard to get to work with them. I work on a neonatal intensive care unit in the eastern part of the country, and then I worked on a hospital in the south, Munini Hospital. And yeah, I also worked on a master plan of the Gwimhavu Hospital. It's also in the eastern part of the country.
I worked on the maternity waiting homes in Malawi. Malawi is one of the countries in the world where mothers' mortality rate is very high. And there is this problem that in the remote areas, rural areas, mothers don't have means to go to the hospitals, and sometimes hospitals are not that enough to serve all the people. So there was this problem of mothers dying in their homes because they didn't have the health care. And the president of Malawi and some partners said, let's start this program to help these mothers so that they can go to the hospitals at least 2 or 3 weeks before they deliver, so that they can have access to easy health care. The initiative started like that, and they built some maternity waiting homes on some hospitals. We came in after to give them like an improved design. So we came in to like do this prototype, which can be an example of how a good design can really respond or help the people.
The most enjoyable part of being an architect, working with the people on site, because most of the time you would spend your time in the office working on drawings, but then when you get on site, you see that what you've designed doesn't work. So you get to learn from them, and they learn from you. I think it's a really good thing, the interaction between you being the architect and then being the masons, then the exchange. That's what I enjoy the most.
Africa is now where all the development is happening, and I would say I would be happy to see more schools built all over Africa to train architects, so that we don't always have this crisis, because the lack of them is the one which is leading to these slums development which are not sustainable. And I think to really have a good development, we need architects, designers, engineers who really understands the continent.